Wait, what did you call it?
Spicy fire
Ramen. Spicy fire ramen. Spicy fire ramen. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Paul, and I've got the lovely Samantha Unicorn back here with me again today. So, what we are making today, I'm so excited for this one. We have got an awesome spicy fire ramen bowl coming your guys' way. You know how we love our heat, so we decided to go and see what we could do with our own homemade take on the spicy fire ramen bowls that you guys have been seeing around. Guess what we found? A delicious
delicious.
Expired.
Send help.
Alright, so how are we bringing home this spicy fire ramen bowl today?
I made my own spicy chili sauce.
Ooh.
Added my favorite, well, one of my favorite ingredients, gochujang.
Nice.
Chili paste and hot paprika for that color.
Oh, you gotta love that red fire color you get out of those ramen bowls. So, I'm ready to get this thing going. I'm so excited. I'm gonna blow my face off today and get a nice little kick in the teeth going. So, you ready to get going?
Let's cook!
Let's do it. Alright guys, this is where the heat's coming from today. Sam's gonna start making her spicy chili sauce. This is where the magic's gonna happen. We're gonna do this Vanna White style. Enjoy the tunes.
2 tablespoons of chili garlic paste. 2 tablespoons of gochujang. 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of hot paprika. 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. 1 teaspoon of onion powder.
Alright honey, what do we gotta do to get this thing going?
Saute all the vegetables.
Beautiful. Awesome, let's get going.
8 ounces of baby bella mushrooms. Alright, next I'm going to add 1 leek sliced and 2 green onions. Next I am adding 3 cloves of minced garlic. Adding some fresh ginger, about 3 tablespoons. Next I added 2 carrots, grated. Adding 2 tablespoons of yellow miso.
Hey, I'm just sitting here watching you.
Why? Half a head of white cabbage, sliced. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next I'm adding 8 cups of vegetable stock. You can use chicken or beef if you would like.
Alright guys, this is where things are about to start heating up. We've got the ramen noodles all ready to go. We got those out of the pot and we're gonna go ahead and add our spicy chili oil sauce. Whew. This is straight fire ramen noodles without any broth, without anything, because obviously that's gonna tone it down a bit when you guys go to eat. Cheers. Whew. That's got the kick.
Yeah.
Ooh. I think yeah is really the only thing you can say to that. Good though.
It's good.
It's really good. It's what's wrong with your face? That chili paste really comes through nice and strong. It's delicious though. This is definitely an amazing recreation of what you would expect out of the fire ramen bowl. We're gonna go ahead, get the broth in here, lay it all down, get it all pretty and whatnot. We're gonna go ahead, sit down, and what do we do next?
Eat.
Let's eat. Alright guys, we'll see you over there.
Woo! That is fire.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
This is the Fire Ramen Bowl Challenge. Homemade style. Oh. That broth.
All the heat went to the broth.
Yeah, but it's delicious. This one you definitely need your cup of water for. Don't mistake that one. Woo. These guys eating these fire ramen packets all over YouTube are insane, let me tell you. This is a good interpretation, but I don't know about eating 20 bags of this stuff. I think I see a tear coming out of my eye. Whew.
Sweating.
I'm sweating for sure.
I mean, I wouldn't say spicy, it's just...
It's heat.
Yeah.
It's straight heat.
Like, it's edible.
Not, but the heat isn't like at the spectrum point to where it's just like blowing you out.
Right.
It's really good,
It's
actually.
good.
Seriously though. This was fun. This was a lot of fun. If you guys had fun, by the way, watching us burn our faces off, feel free, comment down below. If you guys want to see us do the real fire noodle challenge, hey, I'll go and buy them off of Amazon if you really want to see it. But until then, it's been fun, guys. This is Let's Eat. I'm gonna put a link up in the corner here to subscribe. Make sure you guys are doing that. And if you guys want to check out any of our other videos, there's also a link right here to check out our playlist. Peace.
Bye. Fireball.
Don't mistake that one. Woo.